start with the line. Down from the top, straight and fine. Then make a curve right to the middle. Kick out a leg just a little. With a loop and a kick, our R stands tall. Together with